Get your visa at your doorstep. Now save time when applying for a visa, PIO, or OCI in Canada. How? Just follow these 6 easy steps. Apply for your doorstep service request by visiting the link below. Fill in the required details and choose a location of your choice anywhere in Canada for the documents to be picked up by us. Our representative from BLS International, Canada will reach your choice of location to pick up the required documents. Hand over your application and other documents to our representative and be rest assured of its safety. Once the documents are received by the BLS team, an acknowledgement of receipt will be shared with you via email. A payment link for the service shall be shared via email for your convenience. The documents will be processed upon confirmation of the same. You can track the progress of your application through the online tracking link provided to you by BLS International, Canada. The processed document will be delivered to you at the location of your choice as per the given turnaround time. So what are you waiting for? Connect with us via the link below.